All right, it's Friday, August 23rd, 2024. I'm here at Ruby's Diner in Whittier, California for their cruise night that they do every Friday night between May and October during the summer months when the time still has the sun setting a bit later. I did shoot this one last year. I guess I hit it on the one night when it was kind of dead. So some people complained about that. I don't remember if it was a weather thing or what, if it was windy or if it was too hot or what the deal was. So I decided to come out and film this one again. I've had people ask me to come out and film it again. I did get here a little early, so that's why you've seen a bunch of modern cars driving by instead of the classics. There are a bunch of classics who were here earlier. So the classics will start rolling in. I want to get the cars rolling in as well as the show, and we're going to get started right now. All right, so the cars are rolling into the parking lot. Some of the cars are in front of Ruby's during a song change, so I can bring a longer clip. Alright, so don't forget Sunday we're off to San Marino for the San Marino Classic, so be looking out for that video on the channel. Yeah, 70 Chevelle. Ford Fairlane GT390. Don't forget, next weekend we are off to Ventura for Ventura Nationals. It's always a fun one. So always check the tentative list. Will be in the comment section shortly after the video posts. You know what I'm planning on hitting in the near future. 70 El Camino Super Sport. 65 Pontiac GTO. So it's got the Hurst His and Hers shifter. The red line bash plies. I got a 64 GTO. Yeah, this one's got a 4-speed. Start filming some of the cars that are already here. Start with this Roadster. We got a 56 Ford panel truck for sale. I think it says it's $25,000. I think it's what that says there. Remember the swap meet rules. I don't know if it comes with the Hula Girl or not. Got an early 90s Cadillac sedan DeVille, very similar to the one I had a few years ago. There's actually a couple videos on it if you check far enough back in the channel. A 37 Buick. I think I'm far away enough from the music, and if I'm not, I'll just deal with it later. So I'm still waiting to see more cars rolling in. I'm gonna get what's here, and hopefully I don't do too many duplicates later on. I think last time how I did it was I filmed what was here, went in and ate, and came back and filmed what showed up afterwards. A Ford Thunderbird. You look at the FE there. This one is the Landau edition, as you can see. The vinyl top. So check out the Thunderbirds. I will say I do have to pick up my daughter after this, so I can't stay too late in the night. And of course, the later it gets, the longer the shadows get. And they bleed all over the cars. watched the video from Glendora last weekend, you'll know what I'm talking about. Oh, that one wasn't too bad for the lighting. That early Falcon. So is the inline 6. We got a Ford panel for sale. Now we got a 50 Chevy sedan delivery. There you go, 18,500 on this one. I will say, last time I filmed this, there was really bad winds. It's a little windy today, but it's just kind of like a nice breeze this time. Got a traditional Roadster. Pontiac Bonneville lowrider. '67 Chevelle. Chopped custom truck. Reminder that next month we also have Grand National Truck Show at Pomona. Hey, Don. We got a Mercury Meteor just rolled in.
My fingers, they're all bent.
Plymouth Sport Fury. A '67 Corvette. The small block variety. Got 63 Impala. Mustang. I got a 58 Plymouth Belvedere. Yep, she's got a Hemi. That's Ford Woody. Model T with a 6. I got A Ford Galaxy. We've filmed this one before. Also, I was contacted by a gentleman who works with the NHRA people at Pomona, and want to see if I was interested. I guess they might do a car show slash vintage drag show in conjunction with the NHRA finals. So we'll see what's going on there. If I'll be able to, maybe I could film it as like a day at the NHRA finals.
No, you go down there. Hey, you painted it.
Plus film the show. I'm not really a drag race channel per se. I do film drag race events with drag racing. Now, there's other guys that's all they do is the drag race stuff. So it's something that's just sort of in the works for the channel, if you will. This is kind of weird. The guy I talked to about the NHRA thing, I didn't know was here, but he just said hi to me like 2 seconds after I mentioned that I talked to him, which weird how the universe works there. So that really happened. So he said we'll talk about it in a few. He's running in with his wife, I believe, and his granddaughter to eat. Oh, this Model A. That's weird how life works that way. I'll take it. That's 72 Camaro. See, that was when you start mentioning something and then, you know, that's the universe for you. So we'll see. Maybe we'll do some of the NHRA events. Put a little bit of a different spin on it. Like I said, I want to jump over the guys that just have the drag racing channels. And their Model A, a 1930 model. So if you like recorded music, especially older recorded music, check out my other channel, Mike Finds Things, where I go out and find cool old records at estate sales, thrift stores, yard sales, wherever I can find them. Occasional record lot. So last couple of videos I've done are the old section of my record collection, stuff I bought 25, 30 years ago. So I did artist A and B last week, and then artist C and D will be going up this Monday on that channel. And tomorrow I'm picking up a record lot of 78s, which I hope are in good condition. I'll be picking those up in the morning, and those will appear in a future video. A lot of doo-wop and early R&B stuff in there. That's from an estate auction. That's why that channel is called Mike Finds Things. There's a link in the video description of a rare one, a 57 Pontiac Safari. Of course, this was their version of the Nomad. The Cadillac Sedan DeVille. The 70s Nova. This one is the hatchback variety. Little 65 Nova. It's nice. This is the first show I've had in a while where we had a nice breeze. Well, the El Segundo one last week at the beginning of the day was kind of nice because we were by the ocean. Apache stepside in green. Nicely patinaed Fleetmaster Chevy. '54 Chevy Bel Air 4-door sedan. Ford Ranchero. '70 Olds 442 W30. Five-window coupe. A '67 Camaro RS. A '72 Fishmouth Ranchero. Had one of these in root beer brown many years ago. A very blue Mustang. Mustang, that's for sale. '72, asking $19,500.
And I was like, okay, like, go get it.
Yeah, let's see. The 390.
This piece was coming down here. It wasn't even.
'70 Mach 1. Yeah, '69 Mach 1. This one's very original. It's like it's original paint. '68 Mustang. Mustangs here. All right, I get to go back and try to figure out which cars drove in while I was filming.
Premium.
7 El Camino rolling in. Yeah, '70 Boss 302 Mustang. I guess they do a raffle about 8 o'clock here as well. I'll have to leave before that. Mustang just rolled in. So on September 27th, I'm going to be heading out to Ontario for the Edsel Owners Club National Meet. I used to be a member of the Edsel Club many years ago when I was messing around with a lot of Edsels. So I know a lot of my friends are going to be out there for that. That'll be an interesting video. So I figure if I'm going, I'm going to film a video. that's kind of at the point I'm at. I'm like, I really want to hang out with old friends, but yeah, I'm going to get a video while I'm there. So that should be definitely a good one. All 3 years of Edsel. First, on the September 8th, we have Long Beach Swap Meet. I'm going to try to do Belmont Shore Car Show after Long Beach Swap Meet, if possible. We will see. It really depends on if I can get a parking spot down by where the car show is after the Long Beach Swap Meet. So we definitely have a busy September coming up after a very busy August. Yeah, 57 Bel Air. Looks like it's on an air ride.
What is it?
Get my seat up.
So I should mention, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave some comments about some of these cars. So the algorithm is slowly coming around. The Pomona video from a couple weeks ago is doing pretty well. 55 Chevy with a LS. But if I do any more cruise nights this year, it's probably going to be before the sun starts setting early. Crew cab bump side. So rolled in.
Let her eat.
And I get a few more of these cars that rolled in before I head in to get some dinner. '7 Chevy pickup. '56 Bel Air. Pink and black Olds 2-door sedan. '36 Chevy Street. I should mention I started filling in the calendar, the tentative list for 2025, so I'm starting to fill in those dates. I also bought a 2025 wall calendar for the house, just for that purpose as well. So we got a AMC AMX.
Latest flame, memories name. Oh Lord, if you can't come around, at least go something.
As I talked to the people from Cal Rods a minute ago, we're doing Run with the Winter on September 22nd. And that is on my daughter's birthday, but it's at Irwindale Speedway, so I'll be filming in the morning and then spending the rest of the day with my daughter. So that's kind of what you have to do for your kid's 15th, spend time with them. That's Plymouth Cuda. 46 pack. Caddy convertible. I got a 55 Nomad. Before I go in and eat, all right, that's going to wrap things up here at Ruby's in Whittier for the cruise night that they do every Friday night between May and October. Hope you liked what you saw. Be sure to like the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Leave some comments about some of these cars. Remember, this Sunday I'm off to San Marino for the San Marino Motor Classic that I do every year, and that is an absolutely fantastic show. Next week I am off to Ventura for Ventura Nationals, possibly Vista Rod Run on the 1st, and maybe I might be able to get a third video in next week. I'm still kind of trying to figure that one out. Lots of other great events coming up for you going into September, so be sure to check those out, and until next time, I'll be seeing you.